What is a rectifier? A rectifier is a device which converts alternating current to direct current. Name the basic types of rectifiers. First, half wave rectifier, full wave center tape rectifier, and third, full wave bridge rectifier. Next question, what is the difference between half wave and full wave rectifier? A half wave rectifier converts only half of the AC cycle to unidirectional, whereas a full wave rectifier converts both half cycles, means positive as well as negative cycle. Next question, what is efficiency of a rectifier? The ratio of DC output power to the applied AC input power is known as the efficiency of a rectifier. Next question, what is the maximum efficiency of a half wave and full wave rectifier? The efficiency of half wave rectifier is 40.6% and full wave is 81.2%. What is form factor? It is the ratio of root mean square value to the average value. What is peak factor? The ratio of maximum value to the RMS value is called peak factor. Next question, what is called ripple voltage? Ripple voltage in a rectifier output is the amount of AC current present in the output DC. It causes periodic pulsating of the DC voltage which is derived from the AC source. Is called ripple voltage. Define ripple factor in rectifiers. Ripple factor is the ratio of root mean square RMS value of the AC component or ripple voltage to the average value of rectified DC output. A half wave rectifier has a ripple factor value greater than that of a full wave rectifier. Now next question is, what is the importance of PIV, means peak inverse voltage of a diode in a rectifier circuit? PIV is the maximum possible voltage that a diode can withstand in the reverse bias. When a voltage greater than peak inverse voltage is applied across the diode, an avalanche breakdown occurs which causes permanent damage of the diode. Hence, the PIV of the diode should be always greater than the maximum reverse voltage. Now, next question, what is the PIV of full wave center tapped rectifier and why? A center tapped full wave rectifier has a PIV of 2 times the maximum voltage, 2 volt max, because in a center tap rectifier the voltage across the two half winding becomes 2 volt max, which is the total voltage across the two end terminals of the winding. The maximum voltage across the load will be always half of the maximum total winding voltage, which is the voltage between one end terminal and center tap. Now next question, what is transformer utilization factor in rectifier? The transformer utilization factor of a rectifier circuit is defined as the ratio of the DC power available to the load to the VA rating of the secondary coil of a transformer. Next question, what is the advantage of a bridge rectifier over a center tapped full wave rectifier? Answer, a center tapped transformer is not required for a bridge rectifier. Second, the output voltage of a bridge rectifier is twice than that of the center tap rectifier for the same secondary winding of a transformer. PIV of bridge rectifier is half of the center tap rectifier for the same output voltage. A bridge rectifier utilizes full voltage of the transformer secondary, whereas a center tap rectifier utilizes only of the secondary voltage. A bridge rectifier has a TUF of 81.2% and a center tap has only 67.2%. Thank you.